Landlords, the time to verify the information in your tenant's application is before you give them keys to your home. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I had this situation play out this week. Landlord contacts me, asks me, hey Rob, can I terminate tenancy because my tenant provided me bad information on their application. It was inconsistent. And I asked the landlord, what did you give them, possession or keys to the property? They said, unfortunately, yes. And now they're not paying the rent. So unfortunately for that landlord, I had to tell them, the time to verify the information in your tenant's application is before you give them the keys. The problem is you've given them possession, and now we have to terminate the tenancy. In this case, it was for non-payment of rent. Okay, but it would have been nice to know that the tenant couldn't afford the property by just verifying the income and comparing that to whatever documentation that the landlord was providing. Okay, this has been huge because I've had to deal with a couple of evictions lately where the tenant applies, the information doesn't check out, or it just doesn't make any sense, but the landlord didn't catch it. And in many lease agreements, that could be providing, false information could be grounds for terminating an application. Well, it's a little bit too late when you give the keys to the tenant and then you start the tenancy to address that issue there. Those inconsistencies could have been caught during the application. And there's a lot of services that actually will compare what's being provided and verifying with third-party vendors. I guess they have an ability to verify bank accounts and so forth like that, and give a landlord a report like, hey, the information's consistent or not. So that's where you want to do that homework at, not after when you give the keys, because then you got to talk to a guy like me. So folks, got any questions, comments, put them below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Landlords, if you're in the Northern California area here and you got a tenancy situation, feel free to reach out. We'll try to help you out from there. And until next time, folks, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.